You think after 20 minutes he'd realize that he doesn't have milk. The white cat's a boy. Should we get the picture? Look at him going.
He's actually nursing.
Yeah, he's actually nursing on Kyo. Poor thing is gingerly confused.
He's got suction on it.
Yeah, that's what he's been sucking on for the last 20 minutes. He can't find it. Oh, he found it.
Oh my gosh.
Part 2. Now we have both kittens trying to nurse on Kyo, who again is a boy. So now this has been going on for about half hour now, hasn't it?
Look at him scoot over.
They're fighting over nothing. Look at his.
He must need a binky.
Look at his face. He's just like. I'm sorry if that laugh disturbs you.